Now, objective 1. Once you do such objective, the concept behind such objective is really fantastic. If you understand each and every options, then you ultimately find a way to define a vector, properties of vector, and many more. Let us see. So the first is a vector is not change. Here vector is not change. We have four options and we will discuss all these options in detail. The first is if it is rotated through an arbitrary angle. Second option is if it is multiplied by an arbitrary scalar. Third is it is cross multiplied by a unit vector. And the last one is it is slide parallel to itself. What are the concepts behind these options and which option is correct one? So first, if it is rotated through an arbitrary angle. See here, a vector is defined by by an arrow in which the length of arrow this is magnitude and the direction of arrow, that is this one is direction of a vector. So if either of them is change, vector must be changed. If we change the direction, vector will be changed, or if we change the magnitude, vector again change, and if we change both the magnitude and the direction of vector must change. But here is this option is true or not? Suppose this vector is rotated through an angle. Suppose we take here the original vector like this one. Okay, so same as the original vector like this one. Okay, now the red one is rotated through an angle. Suppose this is theta. So here direction of vector is changed. Although its magnitude is remain same, but direction is changed. So this vector is different from the green one. But what happened when if this green vector is rotated through 360 degree? So again the position of vector, the magnitude of vector and the direction of vector is will same. So either it is moved by 360 degree or any multiplication, that is integral multiple of 2 pi radian, there is no change in vector. So option 1 is not correct. It is not change. It is not change. It is rotated through an arbitrary angle. So option is right for a specific angle, that is right for any angle except theta does not equal to 2 and pi. Okay, this is the effect of rotation of the vector. Now second option is it is multiplied by an arbitrary scalar. Suppose this is a vector, suppose 3i. Now if we multiply it by an scalar, suppose 2, so we get the value 6i. Okay, so the magnitude of vector is changed, hence it must be changed. But what happens if we multiply the vector 3i with an scalar 1? So the magnitude and direction of the both vector will be same. So it is not necessarily that a vector is changed when it multiplied by any scalar. So this vector will change only, this vector is changed for all value of scalar except k does not equal to 1. So this is the condition. If k does not equal to 1, then the vector must change. If k is equal to 1, then vector will be remain same. Now option C, we discussed option A and option B. Option C, if the cross multiplied by a vector, unit vector. So suppose this is vector A. Okay, now and this is unit vector, suppose Ni. Okay, so we multiply them. Suppose vector A cross unit vector. So this is equal to mod of A. Okay, mod of A and unit vector, mod of unit vector into cos theta. So suppose, sorry, here it is sin theta, not cos theta, and cap. So the vector product of any vector, whether it is unit or not, is a vector which is perpendicular to the both of vector. So the direction will perpendicular to the initial vector, that is vector A, and unit vector. Rather, the magnitude is same but direction is changed. So this is also not true. Now the last one is, it is slide parallel to itself. Very important, and we use this concept in many questions. You will see in detail when we do the question of H.C. Verma. Obviously, we do all the question one by one, and very effectively we will discuss all the concept behind all the statement. Now, a vector is this one. Okay, now if we shift this one parallel, now its direction of this vector, suppose this is A and B, after changing shifting, that is C and D, will there any change in the magnitude of the vector? Obviously no, because we shift only parallel it. So suppose this one vector is and B again shifting like this one. So direction and magnitude in parallel shifting does not change. Hence, vector remain same. The best option here, the option correct is option D. I hope you will learn a lot about a vector, its definition and its properties. Hope you understand all the concept. Now, if you think this lecture is important to you, so please share it, and please subscribe my channel for the further videos. If you like it, then press bell icon button and like button. Okay, thank you.